This video will provide an overview of the new Arc-Weld connection introduced in Primer version 22. The Connections tool now supports a new type of line connection called Arc-Weld that can be created along free edges, feature lines, or geometry curves. Arc welds are realized in LS-DYNA using tight contacts or constrained nodal rigid bodies. These welds are defined either by picking two nodes or by selecting some IGS curves. To create an arc weld, open the Connections tool and click Create. Select Spot Weld Lines Arc Weld as the connection type. In this case, we'll select all elements for the connection. On the sub-panel, select Arc Weld for connection element type. For this example, we'll use the free edge option and weld the entire tube to the plate by clicking the same node twice. Note that we can select a portion of the edge by selecting distinct start and end nodes. Click Create, and a green connection line indicates successful creation. The contact can be checked by running pen check. All nodes are tied to segments in this example. The connection can be undone in the usual way. The same weld can be created using nodal rigid bodies instead of contacts, and this can be controlled using a global option. Pick the same node twice and create. This time, NRBs are created at each node. We can confirm this by blanking everything other than the base plate. Click Tools Attached to bring up the Attached tool. And this shows that the base plate is now connected to the tube via the new nodal rigid bodies. Arc welds can be modified via the connection table. Bring up the connection table, which here shows the realized weld. Under Saved Setting, NRB for arc shows the encoded setting for this connection. Changing this to false and remaking creates the connection by contact. Similarly, these connections can be changed to use NRBs instead of contacts. Thank you.